Hello children, today we will learn 25 names of body parts. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a head. The head is on the top of our body.
This is my head. Head.
This is hair. Hair grows on our head.
This is my hair. My hair.
This is an eye. We see with our eyes.
This is my eye.
This is an ear. We hear with our ears.
This is my ear.
This is a nose. We smell with our nose.
This is my nose.
This is a mouth. We talk and eat with our mouth.
It's important to speak clearly so everyone can understand you, like this.
This is teeth. Teeth help us chew food.
These are my teeth.
This is a tongue. The tongue helps us taste.
This is my tongue.
This is a neck. The neck holds our head.
It hurts right here when I swallow.
This is a shoulder. The shoulder connects our arms.
This is my arm.
This is a hand. We hold things with our hands.
Hello from the beach. I hope you are having a wonderful day.
This is a finger. We point with our fingers. This is a chest. The chest protects our heart.
This is my chest.
This is a stomach. The stomach digests food.
This is my stomach.
This is a back. The back supports our body.
This is my back.
This is a leg. We walk with our legs.
This is my leg. This is my leg.
This is a knee.
This
the
is my
knee helps
knee.
us bend our legs. This is a foot. We stand on our feet.
This is my foot. Is my foot.
This is a toe. Toes help us balance.
These are my toes.
This is a brain. The brain helps us think.
This is my brain. I can away.
This is a heart. The heart pumps blood.
This is my heart. This is my heart.
This is bones. Bones make our body strong.
These are my bones. Are my bones.
This is muscle. Muscles help us move.
These are my muscles. Ah! Whew.
Great job children. Today we learned 25 names of body parts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.